Ever wonder who's behind the tech that is changing our world? Let's take a peek behind the curtain. Meet the US National Science Foundation, or NSF. Think of them as the backstage crew for America's tech show. With $9.9 billion a year, they fund a quarter of all university research in the US. That's as much money as some big tech startups. NSF has a special program that is like a tech matchmaker. It connects universities with companies to turn big ideas into reality. One of these teams is called the eCAT Center. The eCAT Center is all about the future of getting around. They're working on electric cars, self-driving tech, and edge computing that will change how we move and connect. That is where OORT comes in. As an industrial partner, we're working alongside top institutions like Wayne State, Clarkson University, and UNT, with a focus on building infrastructure for connectivity and safety. At the eCAT Center, OORT is providing practical solutions to real-world challenges. Our OORT Data Hub collects and preprocesses large datasets, enabling companies like Ford to train autonomous driving models more efficiently. This helps streamline their AI transformation by simplifying data collection and labeling. OORT storage plays a critical role in securely storing vast amounts of AI data. For companies like Western Digital, this ensures that essential data for AI development is managed effectively. By partnering with eCAT, OORT is supporting AI transformation across multiple industries, starting with autonomous vehicle research. OORT, where the solar system ends, decentralized AI begins.